Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Loot Crate. Isn't this crazy? Like, I've never done a Loot Crate. But I ordered Penny for Christmas, the Wizarding World box, and you got like a free Loot Crate mystery box with it. I have no idea how much this box costs. I don't even think it's available for sale anymore, but I thought it would be fun just to go into what this box is about. I do have an affiliate link I will put below. It's an interesting box. I don't feel like it's not appropriate for me, but I'm also now, my kids are getting older and it's getting appropriate for them, which is interesting because it's, it's not something that I'm necessarily interested in, but they're wildly popular. So let's find out. I think this is Transformer themed, and the box itself, it's a cutouts and you can turn it into like a Transformer. It says it right here, transform your crate into Optimus Prime truck form. Instructions are in the product guide. So here it is, and that's the box. So this is like the transfer. I don't know what month this was. All right. So first we have Q-Fig, Marvel's Jessica Jones as seen on Netflix. So I don't even know who Jessica Jones is. Who knows who she is? Let me know. Tell me down below. You guys love to do that. So, and I love when you do that. So she's kicking down this wall. It must be like an action. I'm not into action, I guess. That's it. But that's a cool figurine, right? All right. Vault Boy bobblehead. What on earth is in here? What's in it? I don't know. Let's see. So it looks like this. It can't look like that guy, right? Or is it just like a surprise? Is it like a blind bobblehead? That's exciting. There are characters I like. I just don't, like, some of them I don't know because it's just not something I'm into. Like, I have no idea who Jessica Jones is. I'm sure my husband will know, but he'll be like, oh my gosh, you don't know who that is? I'll be like, oh. It's not my expertise, you know? But whatever. We're just doing our best. We're doing our best. It is that guy. What? So it's the Loot Crate Vault man. There he is. He looks like the guy kid from Frosty the Snowman, the new one. Now that's somebody I know who it is. How about that? All right. So I'm just going to close that baby up. Alright. What else? Alright, so we have Battlestar Galactica. I'm familiar with that, sort of. So this is a Titans vinyl figure. It's a Loot Crate exclusive. So it's like the ship or whatever. And then it has its own hashtag. Exclusive Cylon Raider 4.5 Scar Titan. Alright, so that's interesting. This is like the worst video ever. Anyway, I know. Look at Jenna. That's kind of a bummer, but whatever. Figure comes with display stand. So that's cool if you're into Battlestar Galactica. I feel like I know a little bit more about this than I do about this. I have no idea what that is. Anyway, I feel really dumb not knowing that. All right, continuing on. Hoodies, collectible auto ornaments, Loot Crate exclusive. Who is this? Who's that guy? Oh, Arrow. From Arrow, the television. And there's the Flash, which I think I would have liked more. I would have actually used it. I'm not going to use this, but it's a cool item if you are a collector or you are into this sort of thing. This is a cool item. I like that. I like this too if you're into these items. I don't think that this could just, honestly, this could just be like a box of random things that Loot Crate threw together. I don't know. I have no idea. If you know and you get Loot Crate, let me know. So here we have a little wallet. This is like paper. It's like recycled papers. It's like it's actually really cool. I may give this to my brother. Clearly I'm not going to use this, and my husband's not really into comics. But there's like stuff inside and like fake money. See? Isn't that cool? I wish it was real. But it's from a company called Mighty Wallet. by Dynamite Design. So that's cool. I like that a lot. I honestly want to go look at their other styles. Looks like they're probably sustainable. And now we've got a Freddy glove chopsticks. OMG. Oh, those are creepy though. I would never use those. Made exclusively for Loot Crate for a limited time only. A Nightmare on Elm Street Freddy glove chopsticks. Look at those. I wouldn't eat with those. Would you? I don't think so. But they are cool to have, like when somebody comes over and you just like set their spot with these instead of a fork and a knife. There you go. Or maybe I needed to put my hair back. It's kind of my way. So that's everything I received in this Loot Crate. I'm going to do a little exploring and see if I can find this box, if this was an actual box, or if this is just kind of an amalgamation box. I'll let you guys know down below. I'll link to Loot Crate. I'll also link to my full blog review. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Leave me some news down below. How are you guys doing? How was your Christmas? How was your holidays? How was your New Year? Whatever you celebrated, let me know. I'm interested. I'm finally back in the swing, back here in Pennsylvania, getting like back into my groove, working on things. You know, dealing with the winter doldrums and all that. So just, you know, say hey. I love it. I love when you guys say hey. Anyway, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.